Hello. Romania. It is a sovereign country located in southeastern Europe. It borders the Black Sea, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Hungary, Serbia, and Moldova. There are over 18 million inhabitants. The capital of Romania is Bucharest. The river Danube, Europe's second longest river, empties into Romania's Danube Delta. The Danube Delta is also a biosphere reserve and a biodiversity World Heritage Site. The Danube Delta is the largest continuous marshland in Europe. It has 1,588 different plant species. The Carpathian Mountains cross Romania from north to southwest. Moldovo Peak is the highest mountain in Romania. The Danube Delta, one of 6,600 brown bears. The Carpathian Mountains are surrounded by the Moldavian and Transylvanian plateaus and the Carpathian Basin and Wallachian plains. 47% of Romania is covered with natural and semi-natural ecosystems. There are 13 national parks and 3 biosphere reserves. It has one of the largest areas of undisturbed forest in Europe, which covers nearly 27% of the territory. Romania has about 6,600 brown bears. Modern Romania was formed in 1849 with the union of Moldavia and Wallachia. The climate. Because of its position, Romania has a climate that is temperate and continental with 4 distinct seasons. In winter, the temperature can get below 2 degrees centigrade and up to 35 degrees centigrade in low-lying areas in summer. Languages. The official language is Romanian. This is an Eastern Romance language. It shares many features with other Romance languages like Italian, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. There are 31 letters in the Romanian alphabet. Apart from Romanian, there are over 6% of Hungarian and 1.2% of Vlach Romani speakers. There are 25,000 native German speakers and 32,000 Turkish speakers. There are also 50,000 Ukrainian speakers. English and French are the principal foreign languages which are taught in schools. Religion. Although Romania is a secular state, the majority of the population are Christians belonging to the Romanian Orthodox Church. Education. The national average literacy is about 97%. Since the Romanian Revolution of 1989, the educational system has been in a constant state of reform and has received mixed criticism. Kindergarten is optional between 3 to 6 years of age. Since 2012, children start compulsory schooling at 6, and it is compulsory until 10th grade. There are 12 to 13 grades in primary and secondary education. There is also a semi-legal informal private tutoring system, mostly in secondary schools. Healthcare. There is a universal healthcare system. This covers medical examination, surgery, post-operative care, free or subsidized medicine for some diseases. The most common cause of death are cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Transmissible diseases like tuberculosis, syphilis, and viral hepatitis are quite common by European standards. Culture. The national poet of Romania and Moldova is Mihai Eminescu. George Enescu was a composer and violinist. This is traditional dress, traditional dress. Romanian food. There are some similarities with Greek, Bulgarian and Turkish cuisine. There are many sour soups, something similar to polenta, pork, chicken and beef, but lamb and fish are also popular. There are traditional dishes connected to Christmas and others connected to Easter and other Romanian holidays. Tuica is a strong plum brandy and is Romania's traditional drink. Romania is one of the largest plum producers in the world. Traditionally painted Easter eggs, samale, meat wrapped in cabbage, zakuska, aubergine and red peppers. Holidays and festivals. There are 12 public holidays which include Great Union Day on the 1st of December to commemorate the union of Transylvania with Romania in 1918. Christmas and the New Year when traditional Romanian dress is worn. Sports. Football is the most popular sport. Two successful clubs are Steaua Bucharesti and Dinamo Bucharesti. Tennis is the second most popular sport, and Simona Halep is one of Romania's most famous players. Other sports are handball, basketball and rugby. Oina is a traditional Romanian game similar to baseball. It dates back to the 14th century. This is Oina. Bye-bye.